Hello and welcome to this tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how to connect TradingView Strategies to Tradeovate or any prop firm that uses Tradeovate as a broker. Let's go. We have now integrated this into the RoboQuant AI coding app. To access it, you simply go to Dashboard, then you go here on the left to Webhook Connector. So the first step is you have to log into your Tradeovate account. This can be your personal Tradeovate account, your personal Tradeovate demo, or it can be from any prop firm that uses Tradeovate and you have an account there. I obviously recommend using prop firms that allow automation, for example, My Funded Futures or the Trading Pit. You simply go here to accounts, you add demo. I'm already logged in, so I don't have to do this step, so I go back. But if you go here to accounts, you will see if you're connected or not. I have now this account connected. Now I want to automate this strategy or execute the trades of this strategy on my Apex account. So I'm simply going here to create alert. Now I have to select the symbol that I trade. In this case, it's M and Q. And now you see you have three choices. Here you see this is the recommended one. This is the symbol from Tradeovate. It's called MNQ H6 and it's the recommended one because this is the one that expires in March and the other ones they expire in June or September. I'm going to take this one. Now this is the symbol. We are using a strategy and now all we do is we copy the alert message here. We go to TradingView with our strategy, right click, add alert. Now here go to price and choose your strategy. Make sure you don't have too many on the charts. I'm going to remove this one. So I would have to refresh because this can be confusing if you have too many versions on it. Better refresh TradingView so you are sure you have the right strategy selected. Now you go to message and you delete everything that's here. You paste the code from the RoboQuant app. You go back to the app. Then you take this webhook URL, copy URL. Then you go here to notification. And here you paste in the URL. Now you have this on same as chart and expiration date. You can set it yourself. And depending on what kind of TradingView plan you have, I think this changes when it expires, but that's not so important. We have the message, you can give it a name. So if you have multiple alerts that you know what's going on, which one to edit, if there's something to edit. And that's already it. Now here we click save. Give it a name. Here you see the alerts that you have created, so you can delete them or you can edit them. And then here you see in the log, you will see all the orders coming up here. What oftentimes happens is if you forget to select the right ticker symbol, it's going to show the alert coming in, but failed because the ticker was not recognized. That's why you have to choose the right ticker. And in general, that's very important. If you get an alert on TradingView, but nothing shows up here, this means that either you forgot the webhook URL. By the way, when you go here to alerts, you see this one, you can edit it. So if you are getting an alert on TradingView, but nothing shows up here in the log, this simply means that you either have forgotten to add the webhook URL here, or that you forgot to select your strategy and that it's simply a price alert. So it's not going to work as far as I know. The most common reason is simply the webhook URL is missing or it's wrong. Now, if you get an alert on TradingView and it shows up here, but it doesn't execute, then you will always see why it failed. It's going to be here in the log that the symbol was not found or that the risk is too high for your account. So you just have to read it and you're going to understand it and then you can fix it. And then here you can click on kill to stop it. And that's already it. It's very, very simple. This works for Tradeovate and all prop firms that use Tradeovate. Over time, we're probably going to add Rhythmic and some other brokers. But for now, it's just Tradeovate. And this covers so many prop firms. So there's not really a need to use any other prop firm. Even if you're using Rhythmic, why not just use Tradeovate? There's no reason why not to use it. If you trade futures, Tradeovate is great. And if you're trading on MetaTrader 5, then you don't need this anyways because you're just creating a MetaTrader 5 EA. And that's already it for this tutorial. Thanks so much for watching. See you in the next one. Peace out.